Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the Tygot adjustable aluminum tripod stand for mobile phones. As you can see, there's the name of the company that you're buying it from. This is the Tygot tripod. The model number is 3110. It has a three-way head, built-in level, four-section aluminum legs, and a quick lever lock. This weighs 420 grams. That's basically your. It has rubber leg tips, and let's just go ahead and open this up. So I shall, and this sort of slides right out. This is the tripod. It comes inside a black carry bag. Okay, so there you go. That's the tripod. That is the tripod right there. These are the four sections that open up. Okay, that's the lowest section. This is the head, and this is your mobile clip. It screws on right over there, like that. Okay, you need to tighten it from the bottom, so you can screw on the head like that. So there you have it. So there you go, folks. That was the unboxing of the Tygot aluminum adjustable alloy tripod stand holder for mobile phones. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you. Goodbye.